Okay, this morning's project, while I wait here for the gas company to come so I can test out this furnace, as you can see there's a broken thermostat here. The screen's broken out. Might still work, but you can't see what temperature it's set at, so I've been trying to do things reasonable but nice enough in these units. This is non-programmable, just digital Honeywell thermostat, so if I add air here it'll still work. So I'll walk you through the process on how to replace that now. I'll get the box open and we'll move on. So the first step is popping the old thermostat off. Generally they just pop off like so. You can see this one has no batteries in it. It's a 2-wire system. So right now it's on red and white. What I'll do is open the other box and get that going as well. So you can see in this one, after you open the box, it actually comes with some mollies and some screws, so if you're in drywall you can do that. And then this one is the same thing, so it's got a back panel here that will pop off and basically reattach the exact same thing. So I'll move over to the wall so that we can get this put in. So my wall right now is paneling, so all I should have to do is take these 2 screws out. And I'll use actually the same screws to put it back in because I'm going to hold on to that pack for when I may drywall this. I'm not sure I'm pretty sure we're going to get rid of the paneling, but we'll just save that for later. And then it's always useful to have one of these mini screwdrivers around. So I have a flat blade on there and you can just loosen that red and white. Make sure the power is killed to your furnace because it will drop voltage up to that. And now that this is all done, I just know this side's red, this side's white, ready to put the second one on here. So I'm going to throw that down. Let me pause you for a second and get the other one. Okay, so here's the new back plate. And we'll get this sort of hard. I didn't bring a tripod today, so it's sort of hard working and holding the camera at the same time. Next time I'll bring a tripod. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect those and I'll bring you back. Okay, so I got those attached. You can see one to the white, one to the red, a little hard to read there. Got the screws back in. The nice thing about these digital ones is the old mercury switch ones, you really had to make sure if they were level or not. This one does not matter. It doesn't matter. It'll take, you know, the same temp reading if it's upside down, totally to the left. So you know, you'd only want to put a level on it just so it looks good to your eye. Now I did make a fatal flaw. I forgot my AAA battery, so I'm going to run down to the hardware store real quick and get that and put it on, and we'll go from there. Okay, I got some batteries here. So what we need to do is we just need to pop them in the back of this thermostat. They just snap in like so. I'm guessing everyone's put batteries in before. And this just, you snap in the top, snap in the bottom, and there you go. It snaps off this way. You can actually see there's a switch in the bottom here. If you are electric or heat pump, you can swap it over to that. Obviously, if you're just swapping out from an old one, just swap color for color. You can mark them on the wire with a little piece of tape and make sure you swap them wire to wire, but that goes on like so. We'll test this out in a few seconds. After the heat's turned on, you can see it's already reading temp. You can swap it to heat. Now it's saying heat on, and I can pick my set temp, you know, anywhere from, let's see how low this thing can go. This thing can go down to 40, and I'm sure it'll go up to 100. Fans on auto. You can turn it on, auto, and we'll leave this off for now until I get the gas company here to try to start that furnace for me. Okay, we'll see you soon.